Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine. Okay. So, shall we begin the class? In the last class, we solved the that is MCQs, multiple choice questions. We solved in the last class only. So, today we'll solve the work it out problems. Okay. So, go for the work it out. That is page number 31. Everyone has to open the page number 13 here. In that, work it out. Okay. So in work it out, first question is page number 31. Open page number 31. Work it out problems. Okay. So in that work it out, the first one is write the following numbers in the place value chart given below. Okay. You have to write they given three numbers here. A, B, C. Right. So three numbers they given here. You have to write that numbers in their place value chart. Here they given a place value chart, right? Here see. Ones here, sorry. Here ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. They given here. And they given a numbers also. That is a 9 crore 65 lakh 34,780. So you have to write here 9. Next, sorry 9 here. Next after that 6, 5, 3, 4, 7, 8, 0. Like that you have to write the numbers here. Okay. Same. You solve in I think exercise number 1 point, which one? That is 1.2. In exercise number 1.2, 1.3 you solve, no? So same that way only here they given. Write the following numbers in the place value chart given below. That is work it out here. Work it out. Which first main, that is eighth one is 9 crore 65 lakh 34,780. B 18 lakh, sorry 18 crore 34 lakh 26,950. Okay. Next seat one they given here. Which number that seat one? 33 lakh 74,675. Okay. So here I write a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, after that lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and here 10 crore. So this is the place value chart they given here. Using a scale you have to draw here. Okay. So write the first one first. See here, first one I am writing, that is eighth one. 9 crore 65 lakh 34,780 is there. So 9 crore means here 9. Crore in crore value there will be a 9 number. So write here 9. Next 6. Here 5. 3, 4, 7. Wait once again. Which value I left here? That is 10,000, right? Okay. I left here 10,000 value. So here make another column. Okay. So 9 crore 65 lakh, means 6 is in a 10 lakh value, 5 is in a lakh value, 34,000, 3 is in a 10,000 and 4 is in a 1,000 value. Next 100 place 7 number is there, write 7. And in 10th place which number is there? 8 is there. So write 8 here. And in 1st place 0 is there, write 0. Okay, 9 crore 65 lakh 34,780. Like that you have to write in the place value chart. Next second one, big one, what they given here? Big one, 18 crore 34 lakh 26,902. That is 18 crore 34 lakhs 26,902. In 10th place there will be a 0 is there. Next 33 lakh is there. So then 4 values must be zeros. So 33 lakh 74,675. Okay, like this you have to fill in this place value chart. In this place value chart you have to write all these numbers like this. Getting everyone? Even in CW also you have to make the column using a scale and pencil. Draw this box. After that write the numbers with the pen. Getting everyone? Okay. So next we go for the second question, that is the write the following numbers in a words. You have to write the following numbers in a words. Okay. We'll solve that one. Second question. That thing you already know that, right? Do it yourself. Still, I solve on the board and verify your answers. Okay? Don't see a board. Just try it yourself. Okay? After getting answers, verify answers with this answer. Okay? So second main, first question. What is that? What is the number here? 4 crore 56 lakh 90,000 203. 4 crore 56 lakh 90,203. This is the number name. Okay. Go for the second one. What is the second question? 21 lakh 12,210. Right. So right here 21 lakh 12,000 21 lakh 12,210. 21 lakh 12,210. This is the number name. Getting everyone? Okay. Next seat one. Seat one. What the given seat one? That is 90 crore 78 lakh 47,290. So right here 90 crore 78 lakh 47,290. Okay, 90 crore 78 lakh 47,290. Getting everyone? 90 crore 78 lakh 47,290. This is the number name. Okay, go for the next one. 56. Here they put a comma for the 3 numbers. Means it is a international system, right? So read the number according to the international numeration. So that is 56,132,132,000 7. 132,007. 56,132,000. Only 7 is this, so write a 7. That much. Okay. Next. Each one. Write the each question. 37,006,765. Write that one. Okay, 37,06,735. That is the number. Okay, so we completed the second main. Now go for the third main. What is the third main given here? In third main, I just write the answers. You have to write the question in your notebook. Okay, I'm just going to write the answers. This one, third main, I'm going to write the answers only. You have to write question also. Okay, that is first one is 25 million 374,130. This is the number. Next, second one, big one. 56 million. Okay, 56 million. Next, million has a 6 zeros. Sixth one, 96 million. Next, 989. 989 means in thousand place values, all numbers are 0. 989. 96,989. This is the number. They didn't mention the thousand place value. So in thousand place value, we are having a zeros here. So 96,989. This is the number. Okay. Let's go for the deep one. That is 40 million. 400,000 means 400,000. Next, 40 million 400,000. 40 means here in 100 place there will be a 0. Only 40 is there, means 40 is comes under the 10th place value. So in 100 place value there will be a 0. Okay. So 40,400,000 40. Getting everyone? This is the deep one answer. Okay. So completed, which means it is a third main. Now go for the fourth main. Solve the fourth main now. Fourth main. Okay, in that write in the standard form. Eighth one, write in the standard form. They given a first one is a here expanded form. They given here. You have to write the numbers or which number it is. You have to write here. That is first one is 9 here. In ones place 9 is there. In tens place which number is there? In tens place. Tenth place no number is there. Then write the 0. In 100 place 800 is there. So write 8 here. Okay. Next in 1000 place 7 is there. After that 10,000 place again 0 is. Next in lakh place value which number is there? No value is in a lakh place. And 10 lakh place also 0. Next one having a with how many zeros? That is a 7 zeros. 7 zeros for the which number? Crore number. So write here a crore and here crore. It has a 8 zeros, right? Yes. Okay, so it is a 45 crore 7,809. That is the number. This is the fourth main, eighth one answer. Fourth main, eighth one answer is 45 crore 7,809. That is the answer here. Okay. Next one is beat one. Write the beat one here. Beat one. What the given? Start writing from the ones place only. 8 is in a ones place. In tens place, any tens values is there in a big problem? No. So then write the 0 here. In 100 place, 6 is there. And next in 1000 place, 3. 10,000 place, again it is 0. And in lakh place value, 1 is there. Write 1. Okay, after that, 10 lakh place value, 0. Next, having a 3, 6, 7 means 2. 2 crore, 1 lakh, 3,608. 2 crore, 1 lakh, 3,608. This is the number. Okay. By seeing the proper place values, we have to write the expanded number as well as the standard form of the number. Okay. If you are thorough with that both the place value charts, Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. If you are perfect within that, then it will be easy for you. Otherwise, it's a difficult. Okay. So please be study properly for that one. Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. Okay. Please be perfect in that. Then it will be easy and you can write any number. And any number expanded form, and if they given expanded form, you can write it in a standard form. You are able to write that once. Okay. So next one is a seek one. Seek one. In ones place 7 is there. Tens no value. Next hundreds 400 is there. Okay. 1000 place value is 0. 10,000 2 is there. Next in lakh 8 is there. So it is a 8,20,407. 8,20,407. This is the number. Okay. So fourth main also completed now. Now we'll go for the fifth main. Okay. Solve the fifth main now. Fifth main. They given numbers here. You have to write the expanded form of the numbers. Expanded form of the number. Eighth one is 21 lakh 17,900. Okay. So here write 6 zeros. Write a 6 zeros here. Plus 5 zeros. Plus 4 zeros. Plus 3 zeros. Plus 2 zeros. Plus 0 plus 0. This is the expanded form of the given number. 21 lakh 17,900 is there. In 10 lakh it has a 6 zeros. In lakh it has a 5 zeros. 10,000 4 zeros. 7 means here 3 zeros. 9 means 2 zeros. Here 0 0 is there. Write a 0 0 only. This is the expanded form of the given number. Next big one. What is the big number? That is 4 crore 67,000. Sorry. 67 lakh 89,706. Right here. 4 crore means how many zeros? 7 zeros. Write a 7 zeros. Okay. Next, here put the commas. Okay. It means a lot. Next. Here. Next. 6 zeros. Plus 5 zeros. Plus 8 4 zeros. Plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 6. Okay. So this is the expanded form of this number. Getting everyone? Okay. Go for the next question. That is a seek one. Seek one. So here 15 crore 41 lakh 91,321 is there. So write a 10 crore here. 8 zeros plus 7 zeros the 6 zeros. Means 1 5 zeros, 9 4 zeros plus 1000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. So this is the expanded form of this number. There no place, that's why I continue like this. Okay, so this is the answer for the seat one. Getting everyone? Okay, I hope everyone are understanding. Next one is a sixth main. You have to write the predecessor value as well as the successor value. What do you mean by predecessor and successor? Predecessor means after that number. Sorry, before that number. Successor means after that number. Okay, predecessor means before that number and successor means after that number. Okay, next number. So in sixth main, here will be a questions, seat one, and here predecessor and here successor. Okay, predecessor and successor. So number they given here, the number. What is the number given? Write the numbers. 56 crore 78 lakh 90,324. And here 2 crore 32 lakh 43,179. And here 13 lakh 31,315. Okay, so these are the numbers they given here. We have to write the predecessor of these numbers and successor of these numbers. Okay, so predecessor means we have to write the before number, means this number before which number is it, that we have to write here, and next number you have to write here. Successor means, so here only one place value will change. Okay, nothing will change here. That is 56 crore 78 lakh 90,323. Before 324 we are having a 323 value. So after 324 what number is it? 325. So right here 56 crore 78 lakh 90,325. That is the successor number. This is the predecessor number. Okay, only one place value will get changed here. Nothing will change. Only one place value will change. Okay, so after 4, 5 is there. Before 4, 3 is there. Before means predecessor, after means successor. Only that is the difference. So write this one also. 2 crore 32 lakh 43,178. Here 2 crore 32 lakh 43,180, because 179 after 79 there will be a 80 number is there. So 180 successor number is. Here 13 lakh 31,341. Here 13 lakh 31,343. Okay. After 342, 42, 43 is there. Before 42, 41 number. Okay. So this is the Okay, so this is the way we have to write the predecessor as well as the successor. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. So next main is a seventh main. Okay, completed sixth one. Now go for the seventh main. Seventh main, round of the numbers. Rounding of the numbers. I'll just write the answers. These one and only these one, right? So first they given number here 37 lakh 24,870 to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000 is here. This one 37,000 37 lakh 24,870. Nearest to thousands. Nearest 10,000. Sorry. Nearest 10,000 they told. 10,000 means which here? 10,000 means we have to take the 20. Whatever the 10,000 place value, which number is there? 2 is there. So we have to make that number only. So 24,000 we are having, and we are rounding up to the nearest 10,000. Nearest to 10,000 means take a 24,000 here. 24,000 is lies between which values? That is 20,000 to 30,000, right? So middle value is 25,000. Whether this 24,000 is greater than 25,000? No. So it is nearer to which value? It is nearer to the 20,000. So then what will be the answer here? 20,000. So the answer is 20,000. Okay. So next question, that is 19 crore 21 lakh 89,654 is there. And we have to convert nearest to lakh. Nearest lakh is in lakh place value. Which number is there? Take this much number. 1 lakh 89,654. 1 lakh is lies between the 1 to 2 lakh. That is 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Okay. And middle number is which one? 1,50,000. Whether this number is greater than middle number? 1,89,000 is there. Here 1,50,000 is there. Obviously it is a greater than the middle number. Then it is nearer to which value? It is nearer to the 2 lakh. So write here 2 lakh. It will become a 22 lakh. Okay. Next one. That is a 7,68,000. Sorry. 7,68 lakh 23,732. Nearest 10 lakh. Here 10 lakh means 68 lakh is there. So it is lies between the 60 lakh to 70 lakh. And middle is number is 65 lakh. Whether the given number is greater than the 65 lakh? Yes, here is 68 lakh is there. Here 65 lakh is a middle number. It is greater than the middle number. Then it is nearer to which value? 70 lakh. So right here 70 lakh. It will come into the 7 crore 70 lakh. Okay. Next number, last one. 21 crore 5 lakh 70,222. Nearest crores. Crores means here you have to take this much value. Because 2 is a 10 crore, leave that one. Only in crore value you have to take. 1 crore 5 lakh is there. So it is lies between the 1 crore to 2 crore. And middle number is 1 crore 50 lakh. But here 1 crore 5 lakh is there. It is a lesser than the middle number. Then it is nearer to which value? 1 crore. Okay. So 21 crore. It will become a 21 crore. 21 crore. Okay. So this is the 7th main. Now we go for the 8th one. 8th last main 8th one. Compare the each pair of numbers. We have to compare the numbers. Okay, I just write the answer. Compare means you have to put the lesser than and greater than symbol. First one is a 7 crore 9 lakh 44,000 is there, first one, and here 34,000 is there. Then it will be 34 is the lesser value. So then write here this symbol. First value is the greater than the second number, 8th one. Next go for the bth one. 17 crore 78 lakh 9,234, and here 17 crore 87 lakh is there. So then it is the greater. Next 60 crore 4 lakh 70,234. Here 9 crore is there. Here 60 crore is there. Here 9 crore is there. Then this value is the greater. Next 50 crore 34 lakh 12,199. Here 67 crore is there. Here 50 crore 67 crore. Which one is the greater? 67 crore is the greater. So write the like this. Okay. So these are the answers for the 8th question. Okay. So we completed the work it out problems. Till that you have to complete your CW also. Okay. Do it in once in a HW notebook, that is a homework, and after that complete your CW also up to work it out. Okay. So up to work it out is the first chapter. So first chapter today we completed. In next class we'll begin with the second chapter. Okay. So homework I already given. Okay. Till that be safe in your home. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.